guys, welcome back. On this video we will be talking about how to properly install Voicemod on your PC. Now it's really easy. All we have to do is first let's go to our browser and then let us type in voicemod.net. Alright, and then it should take you to the Voicemod website and then click on Get Voicemod Free. It's going to pull up a download window. This is where you can choose which folder you want to save the file. For now, let's just use desktop so that we can easily access it after downloading. So let's click save. It's only around 64 MB, so it should be really quick. So okay, now we have it successfully downloaded, so we can close the browser now. So this time let's open the app or the installer. Click OK, and it will start installing Voicemod. Just click on next, agree, next, and then this time it's another option to choose where to install the app. Let's just choose the default, which is the C drive, and let's click next. So create desktop shortcut, quick launch shortcut, okay, and then click install. Okay, so now we successfully installed Voicemod. So what we need to do now is to click finish, and then it should pull up the Voicemod app. And for this one, it will be initializing, so it may take a few more minutes. Again, it depends on your computer. Okay, so now after initializing, this page would pull up. Now you have the option to log in to any account that you have here. You can continue with Apple, Google, Twitch, or Discord, but for now, let's just use Google, since I think that's what everyone has, right? So let's click on Google. It's going to ask you to log in. So log in using your Gmail account, and then close once you're done. And then now it will take you to Voicemod. So hit X, hit X. Okay, again, it's initializing. So what we can do next is to go to our sound settings, Windows sound settings. And as you can see here, Voicemod is set as both the default and the default communication device. Make sure that that's how it is set up. All right, because sometimes you can see that your microphone is set as the default. So what you can do is to make sure that Voicemod is selected as the default communication and the default device. Both of them. That's very important. Okay, so now what we need to do next is to hit refresh on this page, on this section, and then select the microphone that you're using, and then on your headphone select, of course, the headphone that you'll be using while taking in classes. Okay, so now everything should turn green. After that, then hit continue. Okay, and then for this one, okay, you have created a virtual microphone. Okay, hit start Voicemod, and for this one, just click next, 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 next. And then once you're on this page, what you need to do next is to turn off Hear Myself, because that can be annoying. When you're talking, you can actually hear yourself. So just turn it off if you don't want to hear your own voice. And then after that, make sure that your voice box is set to clean, because that should be the default, because Voicemod itself is a voice changer, and we don't want to have our voice changed during class, of course. We don't want to sound like a baby or a caveman, so make sure that it is set to clean. Okay, on this section you have the option to reduce or to adjust the reduce background noise option. For this one, please do not set it to maximum, because it's going to muffle and compress your sound too much, and it will affect your sound quality. So what I suggest is to find a sweet spot and try to record your own voice, of course using Voicemod, and listen to yourself and see which setting is perfect for you, where you can reduce the background noise and not have your voice compromised or suppressed too much. All right. And once it's done, and once you properly set everything, check on the settings part, and you can see here that it's moving. It means that when you're talking, Voicemod is picking it up and relaying it to STC. So after that, we're done. Thank you.